Hi there, students. A fiat, or fiat, uncountable, a noun. Well, I'm sure when I say this, you're going to think of the car made by Fabbrica Italiana Automobili di Torino, the car company. But a fiat can also be an order, a decree by the government. So there has been a government fiat that that this will be done. Okay, so a fiat, an order given by a person in authority. There has been a we have been ordered by fiat of the CEO that we must do everything in the way that he says. So it's a decree, an edict, a proclamation, something that you've got to follow. Yeah, a formal proposition, a formal authorization, a formal decree. So the rents in the area were controlled by government fiat, by government command, by government decree. Okay, so a government by decree, government by fiat. Now, I think in the Bible it says, and the Lord said, let there be light, and there was light. And that is a fiat. Light was created by fiat. A command, an order that creates something without further ado. A fiat. So if something is done by fiat, it is done because of an official order given by someone in authority. The government has tried to impose solutions by fiat, but that hasn't worked. By official sanction, by an order, by a decree, a command, a decision, an act of will that brings something about. Okay, so an edict, a decree, a mandate, an order, a dictum. So a fiat, something that is a command, an order to do something. A royal fiat, a presidential fiat, a government fiat, to rule by fiat. Yeah, this is to you've just got to do it. It's got to be done by that. This fiat, it's an order from up on high. Okay, so formality. This is a fairly unusual word, a rather Latin word. I'm going to give it a 7.5, 8 in formality. Use in a formal conversation, in a formal writing. And as to origin, it comes from Latin, fiat, let it be done. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Fiat, and I'm not talking about the car.